Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Tuta mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Tuta mail draft not saving issues. Whether your email drafts disappear unexpectedly, changes are not being saved, or the drafts folder is not updating correctly. There are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem. So let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Tuta Mail relies on a stable connection to save and synchronize drafts. If your connection drops while you're composing an email, the draft may not save properly. Next, give the application a few moments to save your draft before closing the browser tab, app, or device. Larger emails with attachments may take longer to save than simple text messages. If you're using Tuta Mail in a web browser, refresh the page and then check the drafts folder to see whether the message was saved successfully. Sometimes drafts are stored correctly even when the interface does not update immediately. Another useful step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can occasionally interfere with automatic draft saving and synchronization. Why and that's how to fix Tuta Mail draft not saving issues. By checking your connection, browser settings, storage availability, and synchronization status, you can resolve most draft saving problems and avoid losing important emails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.